Hey everyone, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Yes, I know it's been a while since I have posted a video. So my latest video was a vlog from last weekend's vlog. So that's my first ever video since I was MIA. So I have really missed you all so much, and I'm so sorry that I did not have the chance to tell everybody why I was MIA. So today I would share to you a teeny bit why I wasn't able to upload videos on YouTube, because I got sick, really sick on the entire month of December. Yes, that was so seriously sick. My sinus got irritated so badly that I went a couple of times to the doctors, and then it was just so bad that I have been having fevers and super clogged nose, running nose, everything, and I don't have energy. I'm lying on the bed. I'm always sleeping actually. And what's making it a lot worse is that it's cold right now, and yeah, I cannot do anything about it. So I decided that I would go vacation from work for a while, so as well as with YouTube, so that I could get well. And yeah, that's the reason why I was MIA, and up to this moment I still have a little problems when breathing. I don't know what's wrong, but hopefully when I go home to the Philippines, I wanted to do some more tests, because it is so difficult to have a medical test here because language barrier. In the area that I live, there are no doctors that speaks English, and my Nihongo is not that fluent as I wanted to be. I speak Nihongo just on a daily basis, but not unto that level where, I could really understand what the doctors are saying, and I could explain well to the doctors what I'm feeling. So it was really pretty hard for me. I've been rushed to the emergency once because I was really having troubles breathing, and to the point where I'm about to pass out. So that was pretty scary. So that's why I've been away. And also after that, when I was feeling a little better, my computer has some issues too. So that's what's taking me so long to upload videos on YouTube. So I hope you understand, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm really very sorry for having been away for so long. But oh my gosh, don't worry, because I'm back now, and that's what this video is all about. And I've decided on my first video that I will be filming a haul video from Daiso. How fun it is, right? So I mentioned on my last video that I went to Daiso, and I got a couple of things from there, the usual ones and new ones, things that are fun. Daiso, they have a lot of things fun there. So yeah, I'm pretty much excited to share to you what I got. Oh my gosh, there are a lot of makeup related stuff that I got also, and I have got some random stuff as well. So maybe you are interested, or you want a guide on what to buy at Daiso if you have the chance to go there. So let's get on with this haul. Yay! So firstly, the reason why I went to Daiso is because I wanted to get me some packaging tapes. Yeah, because I am planning to send some packages to the Philippines. So yeah, that's why I went to Daiso and get some packaging tapes. But you know me, if I'm at Daiso, all of a sudden everything's changed. Even though my goal is just to buy this packaging tape, no, it's not the goal anymore, girl. Let's change the goal. So whenever I am at Daiso, and I started to see a lot of stuff, so I started to get those things that actually I don't need, but I felt that I need. Yeah, so bear with me guys. It's just so fun every time you go to Daiso. Let's admit it. Yeah, for those who are Daisoholic, you could, you know, you can feel me. So yeah, this is are my oh my god, are my main reasons why I went to Daiso. So I also wanted to get some cotton swabs, cotton buds from there because I really like this particular one from there. I don't know what particular order that I wanted to show to you guys. If I will show to you first all the makeup stuffs, or maybe let's just do random things. So yeah, the next one that I got from there that I felt that I needed is this small hair clips, because my other ones, I don't know where are they, but I think I have broken every single of mine. So I decided that I wanted to buy another. So I bought some of these. And also the reason why I wanted to go to Daiso, because I wanted to get this aroma oil from there. It's their lavender one. And if I'm going to buy this at a regular store, it is way too expensive. Like it's around 1,000 yen, but since it's a 100 yen store, Daiso is a 100 yen store, so I only get paid for 108 yen for this one. I find that there are no difference between this one from Daiso and the one from the regular store. They just performs exactly the same, so why would I get those when I could get at least 9 of this my 1,000 yen, because this is just only 108 yen. So I got 3 of this. This is in their lavender one, because this helps in soothing and calming the senses. And what I do is I pour a little of this onto our humidifier. It smells so freaking good. I love lavender oil. It's just amazing. And then I also wanted to buy another small clipper, because I think I lost my other one, and I wanted something this little so that I can put inside my bag. So everywhere I go, I could just easily snip my nails, because I have this issue, you guys. I always have dry cuticles here on the side, and sometimes it gets so annoying, and if I could not get my hands on a nail cutter, oh my god, it drives me crazy. So I really need a nail clipper every time with me, so that whenever that happens, I could easily snip. I always buy my AA batteries from Daiso because it's very affordable, and it really has a big price difference at the regular store. And I will only be using this on my heated eyelash curler, and yeah, so far so good. It performs the same as those expensive batteries like the Panasonic and whatever it is, which costs how many times? 9 times the price of this one. So yep. Oh, and then I also got this new fragrance aroma oil. This is the first time that I will be trying this, and this is called Fresh Green Leaves. I don't know, I was trying to find some lavender scent with this, but they don't have, so I just picked the one in green. So I hope that this smells amazing. Yeah, I'm so excited to try. Look how cute this is, guys. Oh my god, it's a cow in front of this mini notebook. I wanted to buy some organizer or a planner, but since Daiso doesn't have one, and I just wanted something to write on whatever I wanted to do on that day so that I will not forget. So I just wanted to buy something small that could fit into my bag. So I saw this one, and it's so damn cute. Boo! And look at the back side. It's the cow's butt. How pretty. So if you wanted to buy some cute stuffs, cute notebook stuff for your kids, better check Daiso because they have a lot of cute things there. Then I saw this very cute pencil cases from there, and I could not pass on this one because it is just so adorable. Yeah, how cute that is. And this is the back side of it. So I bought these two pencil cases for my two girls because I think they needed a pencil case. I don't know. Yeah, my eldest daughter was complaining that her pencil case was a little, you know, broken or disastered. So yeah, it's a good timing that I saw this one and I really like it. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. You will not believe that this is from Daiso. Oh my gosh, so excited. I know this is so random, but I also got this Oreo sandwiches. They are in, what's the flavor in this one? Banana flavor, yeah. Banana. Yeah, so exciting. I haven't tried a banana flavored Oreo before, so pretty much excited to try this one. Then I also picked a couple of hair ties from there. So because, you know, I don't know where are my hair ties is. They always get lost, so I picked this colorful ones because I like this one in particular compared to those rubbery hair ties. And I also got this for my girls. How pretty. And then I saw this one. This is a hair razor. Yeah, quite interesting. As you can see from the picture, if you want to cut your bangs, this was so easy to use if you want just to cut your bangs or give a little texture to your hair. But since I know that razor is not very healthy to the hair because it creates fluid, so probably I will just use it to cut my own bangs. You need to change your blades every time you do a haircut, but I guess they have some blade refills available also, so very convenient. I'm excited to try this one. I also got this, what's this called? Eyeliner brush. This is their new one. Then I also picked my favorite makeup swabs from there. I like this one in particular because it has that pointy end and you have your regular end. This is so convenient when you are doing your makeup, especially when you have created some boo-boos in your makeup. This pointy end here is making really a big difference. Yeah, so I like this one in particular, and I always got mine from Daiso. And I also went to the nail section and I saw this one. Look how pretty that is. I've been planning to do my nails because I miss doing my nails so much, and I'm planning to get a gel nail kit soon. But I know it just so sucks sometimes when I think of the shipping, and because it takes a while to get here, and I must admit that the shipping rate is just so painful in the butt when it comes to here. Everything is just so expensive. Oh my gosh. So I'm pretty much excited to see how pretty that is. You have your epic fail. And then I also got a lot of nail stickers. Crazy. Bam. So this one is in snowy one. Yeah, so pretty. How cute this is. I'm so excited to do my nails, you guys. How gorgeous. Wow. Yeah, super gorgeous. I love this. And then I also got, this is so random, just a regular comb. Also got some cotton puffs. This one is not the one that I always get because I don't know, they run out of it, so I just pick up whatever's there, and I hope that This is as good as that one that I always buy. And then I also picked a couple of makeup wipes because this is my everything, guys. This is the most amazing wake up wipes in the entire Japan. It's very affordable, but it's so different. It just removes my makeup so freaking easy, and it does not irritate my skin as well. Then I also got some small puffs whenever I do somebody else's makeup. So I got these. I believe that I got 2 of these, but I don't know where are the other ones. So yeah, let's move on. Keep going, like Dory. Keep swimming. But we are going to keep going. So I also got another eyebrow pencil. These are my favorite eyebrow pencil of all eyebrow pencil. It's very cheap, it's very affordable. It's from Daiso, and I hope that this will not go away because there are a lot of Daiso products that are discontinued right now. So I just hope that this particular eyebrow will not be discontinued because I would definitely die. That is so sad. Then I also got me some bobby pins because you cannot have enough of bobby pins. They always get lost. Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, and this is my life. And then of course, if I go to Daiso, I always get me my ta-da! Lashes. I got a ton of it. These are my favorites. Look how crazy that is. Yeah. Oh. And oh, I also got another what's this called? Gel nail accessories. Yeah. And yeah. Oh, I found the other puff. Yeah. Good job. So a ton of lashes. Oh my god, I could not get enough of lashes. I just love Daiso lashes. They are so amazing. And oh, I got another nail accessory also from there. So I got 2. Yeah, these are in flowers, as you can see, and this one is in hearts and ribbons. How pretty! I'm so excited. I'm just so excited to try everything. Oh my gosh, I'm speechless. I'm getting out of breath. Just calm down a little. So I also went to another 100-yen store. It's not Daiso, but I just wanted to quickly show to you what are other things from there. And my favorite eyelashes is not really from Daiso. It's from that other 100-yen store. They have the most amazing eyelashes, and it's very affordable. Yeah, that's what I like. Something that is, you know, friendly to the budget. So these are the lashes that I got from there. Look how pretty are these, guys. This is the most comfortable lashes that I could wear, that is very inexpensive, and the designs are so amazing. And this particular one is specifically for those who have small eyes. So since Japanese have small eyes, this could fit them perfectly. But for me, I wanted to use this on kids. You may be wondering, kids wearing eyelashes? Yeah, that's true, because my daughters, when I did their makeup on their intramurals or any dance recitals, they wanted me to put them some lashes. So this is really perfect. It's not so over the top. Yeah, and it's so damn pretty. I got a couple of lashes there. And this one are my favorite ones. Oh, gorgeous. Can you see that? And it's so freaking affordable. And then I also found this lipstick holder. I know this is just acrylic container there. I wanted to put my lipstick on top of it to organize. So it's a great find. Yeah, it's just 108 yen. Good deal on there. And then I also got me this black peppers. Yeah, nothing so exciting, but we love this particular black pepper because every time you season your every time you season your food, you have freshly ground black pepper. Yeah, this one is not we don't like that one in powder already because the flavor, the aroma is so different. So yeah, if you like cooking, try this. I also got this eyebrow tweezer because mine got broken just for the longest time ever. And how cute this one. This has a, I don't know, heart. It looks like an animal print, but up close these are having heart shapes. And last but not the least, you will not believe how cute this is, guys. Cheering! Yeah. Do you know what this is? It's a Hello Kitty mask! Oh my gosh, when I saw this one, I literally died. It's the cutest thing ever. They have Melody too, Hello Kitty. What else? Kiro Kiropi. I don't know, but they have a lot. Yo. So this is the mask. Yeah, how cute and pretty that is. I know that this video was all over the place and I get so excited and get carried away with everything, but I am just pretty much excited to see all of you guys and doing this video. And of course, if it's Daiso, it's getting me more excited. So yeah, that's all that I got from the 100 yen store from Daiso, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that this gives you an idea on what to buy at Daiso whenever you have a chance to go to Daiso. So if you have any questions or suggestions on what would I buy next time that I will go to Daiso, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Yeah, I would love to hear that. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, as much as I did. Yeah, I pretty much did. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also please make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated to my latest videos. So once again, thank you so much for stopping by, for watching my video, and I hope to see you next time. Love you all, guys!